Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Santa's Workshop here. Guess what? Today is wash day. I want you to look at this. Sunshine in Oklahoma. Can you believe it? All right, we are going to bring the Caballero. I'm working on it, guys. Really, I am. I'm working on it. We're going to bring that outside, and I'm going to start it and drive it out, believe it or not. And we got the 53 frame outside. So we are going to get on this, and we will talk to y'all in just a moment when we get these washed. Feel the breeze! That sounds a lot better. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got them back inside the shop, and they do look much, much, much better. I think when we get this thing all back together, throw a little black paint back on that breather, wow, it's going to look much, much different. Look how nice bright and blue that engine still is where the paint's left on it. Got the running boards cleaned up, the area where we're going to be cutting that. And I got to show you this 53 over here. It had some very, very caked on dirt. Those spots you're seeing right there are 68-year-old spot welds. That pressure washer is amazing, and that super clean that we use, that's some amazing stuff myself. That is just really unbelievable. But I want to show you, give you a little preview of what Wednesday's video is going to be. I've got the roof here that we cut off of the 79, or the 85, excuse me, the 85. And I have got some rust issues right there that I want to take care of. And we have got a kink right here. But you can see this is where the body seams together. So I want to try and get this worked out and looking like this before we go putting it on that. And in this clip you will have seen where we cut this one off. I'll just go ahead and throw that in this clip with this video. But I will have me straightening this thing out in the next one. Little short video for a Sunday afternoon. Thank you for joining me. We will see you next time on Santa's Workshop.